Hi, today we have an interesting success story of Sravanthi. She has done her B.Tech in 2019, then later on she has worked as a lecturer in engineering college, and now she wants to switch her career to UI/UX design and took our course. Then she got placed as a UI/UX designer at SDL Corp. Now let us see her success story and see what she is going to explain about her journey at PurpleLane. First of all, congratulations that you have placed at SDCL Corp. So, how was your first day actually?
Yes, sir, it was good. They gave me some tasks to do. I'm doing the tasks.
Finally, you got placement. That is one of the milestone from Purple and you also. So that's we are really happy for that. Okay, and please introduce yourself, Sam.
Yeah, myself Shravanthi Jampana, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh, nearby Kakinada Amlapur. I was completed my B.Tech in 2019 in the stream of electrical engineering. After my completion of B.Tech, I would like to join in electrical sector. There is no private jobs or immediate jobs because we can mainly prepare to government jobs and government sector. At that time, I want to do course head job only because I just completed my B.Tech. In my knowledge, only all based upon only in my course head only.
Okay.
So that's why I want to do core job, but there is no way to go outside and job in that time. So at that time, I get a chance in one college, so I can join there as a lecturer. So I can work as a lecturer in almost 3 years. At that time, I can trigger one point. This is not correct way. I think another of my colleague tell me that this is. I have here PurpleLane. I think this was the best online training classes. I mean, such all details, and there is no coding. I know about the PurpleLane in January, February at that time, and I can start. I can join in the October. I think so. Yeah, October. So and after that, I'm learning things how to use without coding in this. Firstly, I will join in this course. I don't have any idea about UI/UX.
Okay.
What will happening and what will. So firstly, I do some assignments, all these things. I was really enjoyed the assignments actually because day by day there was new one to do all the mentors, mainly the Sanama madam will be so much of I think she has lots of patience also.
Yes. Yes.
So how she deals with the students, which I like so much because basically I'm also a teacher also.
Yes.
So that's why I personally connect to her. After completion of assignments and practice sections, I go to the with the main projects. So after that, the project will be started. Yes, that was going very much good. At my project, UI project will be handled with Nandkishore sir.
Yes.
So that was a very good experience with sir. In my first project, really, I was so much of struggled
Okay.
because that is first way and basically an or not my selected option and that was and going good and every step mentor will be suggestions, give me suggestions and guide me, and that was successfully completed. After I really enjoyed UX project and I go. I mean, it's completed very fastly comparatively. You are introduced the Photoshop also.
Yes. Yes.
After that, placements are also giving some job opportunities or all thing, and similar simultaneously I can also search in LinkedIn and I can continuously searching in LinkedIn. So after I'm applying, both placements are give me suggestions, and
Okay.
after that I got this SDLC core.
Yeah.
So they offer 3 months internship, paid internship.
Yeah.
After that, if they need employment or they like my work, they give me a full-time employment.
Your journey is very inspirational for others. He is coming from a different background, like you as electrical engineering, right?
Yeah.
So you are coming from electrical engineering background as well as you did used to teach for students. After that, a bit gap, and then you have been shifting your career to designing or like software industry. That is one of the
Yeah.
inspiration story for others. And I have some couple of questions like.
Yeah.
How PurpleLane team has supported you in all the ways. Like let us say you have explained about that Sanama, right? So at the initial stage of the course, how you feel about the course? Like is it tough or like a creative? Like how you can motivate yourself to do in the initial stage and at the final stage, how you are feeling about now?
Actually, firstly, I got very excited
Okay.
when I was joined and when I was started but I was doing first assignment. It was an errors.
Okay.
uh, Sanama madam will be commenting. My second assignment, third assignment, fourth assignment, fifth assignment, these are all okay completing. But first assignment was not. There is in so much of errors. I didn't understand. So I was so much of worrying about that assignment. I can find my error my own self. Darsanamma madam will be check only measure, I mean margins. So whenever I finding my first mistake myself, I was really happy. So after that, Pavan sir will be taking us a second level, coordinate with two mentors. One was Nandkishore sir and Venkatesh sir. Venkatesh sir was, I think, we can. I mean, when we are job anywhere, how can we
Yes.
behave with others or our superiors or with our
Exactly.
below employees? We can. I think we can learn from Nandkishore sir.
Yes. Yes.
So I like his behavior, his attitude mainly. Next, coming to the Venkatesh sir. So Venkatesh sir also they giving so much of inputs with us, friendly way.
How the interview process has held and how many rounds have which has happened over there?
As of mine, interview is only I think one phone call
Okay.
and another is a virtual interview.
Okay.
One,
Yeah.
I think it's a one major interview.
Yeah.
So they asked me first introduce myself as a normal thing, and then they see my portfolio. I think so because they ask immediately show your portfolio.
Mhm.
So I can share my portfolio. They ask me to explain one project,
Okay.
so I can choose my UX project. Actually, tell me 15 minutes,
Okay.
but they listen almost 30 minutes.
Oh, that's good. That's good. I mean, the project which you have done, they really like the project.
Yeah.
And now, how this particular UI UX online course, which is differ from the online course, like, do you feel any difference between an offline course and online course? Like, how you feel this particular online course?
Online classes, we have morning to evening time.
Yes. Yes.
In we can go to offline. There is a certain time, maybe half day or full day. When we are woke up to bed, there is so much of time. We do work in whole day,
Yes.
not particular period.
Yes.
That was so good for online classes.
Yeah. Good. Good. So, do you suggest this course for others?
Yeah, sure.
Yes. How will be the placement process? Like how the mock interviews helps you in getting placed for you?
Yeah, actually, first mock interview was only on technical round. It
Yes.
conducted by the Darsanama madam.
Yes.
Madam will ask some question. I mean, I can prepare before 2 days.
Yeah.
Was only PDF.
Okay.
So before that, I have a teacher, but I had a mistake also. You give me PDF. Not only that, you already with 10 assignments projects, we have that knowledge also in our minds.
Yeah.
So I only concentrated in this blindly. Okay, okay. These are. I mean, my preparation process were also, I think, different from all students.
Yes.
In
Yes.
I cannot read so much.
Okay.
I can if there is a question, I can read and I can make my answer in my mind. So
Yes.
I cannot
Exactly.
feel.
Exactly.
That is, I mean, one because all the questions are we already done in our course before.
Yes. Yes.
And that is in a technical way. It is in questionnaire form.
Yes.
So all my concentration. Okay, this question. When interviewer asks this question, we can answer like this. I can only prepare in my mind only.
Yes.
After that, actually, I know that A/B texting and some hamburger rules. So I can know all these things. When our madam asking, I can. I know answer, but I thinking this question is not in the PDF.
Oh,
Why
okay.
should not?
Yeah.
So
So, okay.
simply my mind will go to there. this question is not there.
Okay.
Because I'm continuously 2 days, I can only see the
Yes.
PDF. I cannot
Yes.
open Figma or sorry, my portfolio. I didn't open,
Yeah.
so I simply only see that question. And whenever I watching TV or I go to somewhere cooking, in
Yeah.
I can only reminding these questions only in my
Okay.
mind.
Okay.
After that mock interview completed, I can see question. So what I can do, I can know these answers because I mean, Venkatesh sir will do all these tasks for us. Do we can do all the tasks also? I can say, uh, I mean, I can do some paperwork on these rules and tests also, but I didn't answer. So at that time, okay, we didn't only depending on one thing. We can depend our course and our knowledge
Yes,
first
exactly.
because
Yeah.
these are all preparing. Okay, this time how they are asking questions, so you can prepare that PDF,
Yes.
but topic will be the same, questionnaire will be the different. And I know that whenever I'm doing B.Tech, but I can forget easily. So so that was helpful from first mock interview. And second mock interview, I can attend the call and I can do I mean some questionnaires by Jashwant, I think so.
Yes.
So I can answer it. After that, Jashwant also give me a feedback. So whenever I can, I mean, question that introduce yourself. So after that, sir will be, I mean, Jashwant will be tell. So not like that. You can tell yourself more. So interviewer don't have any other questions. Then you jump to the portfolio and you explain yourself.
Yes.
That was the right way.
Yeah.
Jashwant will told me. So same particular thing. After that, I think this mock interview will be happen in Thursday and next day was Tuesday. I got from interview.
Okay.
I use that formula here. I cannot stop talking. I
Yes.
can keep talking, explain anything. I talking, and explain my project. I didn't give gap to ask question from interviewer. So after
Okay.
that, they did, yeah, I like your speech and I like your design also. Your portfolio is most suitable as.
Finally, like you got placed, and everything is going good. So it's really happy that you got placed in SDLC Corp. So
Yeah.
and many more to come in the future. That's what we are expecting. Thank you so much, Sravanthi.
Thank you.